Simple tips and techniques you can use for quiet, snore-free sleep. Do you snore? If so, what can you do about it? If you want to alleviate your snoring, this video will give you some suggestions. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. Snoring is common for people who sleep on their backs. However, it's hard to sleep on your side if your habit is to roll on your back. Stitch a tennis ball into the rear of your pajama shirt. When you roll onto your back, the nuisance will push you back to your side, and you'll stop snoring. Avoid alcoholic beverages to minimize your snoring issues. On top of this, you should stay away from antihistamines, sleeping pills, and any type of tranquilizer right before you go to bed. Such drugs are muscle relaxers. While they have their uses, they also tend to affect your breathing passages, and make snoring more likely and severe. To deal with snoring in a relationship, it's important to communicate honestly with your partner. If your snoring is keeping your significant other awake at night, the frustration can wear on both of you. Work together to find a solution to the problem, so you can stop snoring and strengthen your relationship at the same time. Keep your site free of unwanted sounds. A website with no sound allows your visitor to focus on the material that you want them to see. If your site has music or distracting sounds, especially with no way to turn it off, then that is a big turn-off to most visitors and they will quickly leave, most likely annoyed, too. Stop smoking to stop snoring. When you inhale tobacco smoke into your lungs, irritants are produced that affect your airway and nasal membranes. The resulting inflammation causes your throat to narrow and contributes to your snoring. Try not to smoke before going to bed, or better yet, give it up altogether. These suggestions should help you on your way to a night without snoring. Remember these tips, and apply them before going to bed for a good night of sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.